recording, so that way we can go back to it, and I'll send you the link after. All right, so it's rolling.
So yeah, just to basically catch everyone up with like the issue here is like this page that you're seeing right now is the local host. So this is like the developer, and I've made changes, and you see here in the platform filter that there's only these three, like, and that's how it should be. And but when I pushed it to staging, I don't have staging open right up. It's not showing right now. So I'll show you the file. I made these changes. So as you see, is those three platforms that were showing: ALYA, snippets, Google Ads, and Facebook. And then I got rid of these three, or just commented out these zeros because they're not active for now. When I pushed it, like we had talked before, like when I pushed it to master, I thought that was going to work, but it doesn't show up in staging because we need to migrate the data.
Yeah. Okay.
So a couple things. So so I tried getting the metadata. Where did I put that? Yeah, which that was a while ago that I got the metadata, and I was able to export it properly. And then I also tried to do a migrate apply. Like I navigated to the migrations folder, and did a migrate apply with the admin secret, and it gave me some weird funky errors. And then in my reading, I think, like, I don't know if this is true or not, but I think I might have to like wipe the database and then rebuild the metadata and then apply the migrations. But I'm not 100% sure if that's correct. So yeah.
Right. Okay. So the thing is with migrations is that once the file runs, like the migration file runs, it will never be run like ever again unless you like you're creating like the database all over again or something. So what you have to do is create a new file, a new migration file on top of like everything that's been created. And in that file, you should remove the data that you don't need.
Okay, so
go to the code.
Go to the code.
Yeah. So like, it doesn't matter if you make changes in this file; it's already run. And it basically it won't be executed ever again.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Like I tried to I tried to do a migrate apply to apply these changes, but it didn't really work out.
Yeah, so it won't be. And what you have to do is literally create a new file, create it with a new migration file, and timestamp it with the current date, and then like as you can see, like how it's named right now. So it's like 2020-04 30th, and then hour, minute, second, I think.
Yeah.
So you create a new one, and in that you run you just run commands to delete those.
Okay. So I'd have to do that for each of the files that I changed. Like just do because it'd only be those files that need changing, right? So I wouldn't.
You just do it for the stuff you need to change.
Yeah. So just these two files, and then. Okay, so if I go, I guess I can just make it in here.
Yeah, make it in the migrations folder. And the reason it worked locally probably is because you deleted your volumes.
Yeah.
And then you built the database from scratch.
And then it just I use since I changed these seed files, then. So.
Yeah, and it thinks that it's running these files for the first time. So yeah.
I'm just gonna spin down these actually because it's really slowing down the computer. trying to present and have the backends or the server spun up. Wow. Really. Oh, this is getting really bad. Yeah, it doesn't like sharing my screen at the same time as presenting. I'm trying to moves. Sorry, I'm just gonna stop presenting for a second.
Go for it.
See if I can get this to stop lagging so much. There you go, instantly. Goodness.
While we're waiting for Tim, Mario, would be good just to have just the 101 again on how to push the staging or production after the priority is Tim goes through his questions, but just to I get to understand a little bit just the whole process of
Yeah.
when a file is modified to just a database thing.
Mhm.
How it works. But let's have Tim finish,
Okay.
just so I get to understand it a little bit as well. So that's the more mystic part for me as well.
Okay. We can go through that. Maybe we can go through if Tim makes a change or something.
Yeah, that would be good.
Yeah, for sure. It's just my computer's really slowing down. It's starting to catch up again now that the presentation's been done. This might be a process.
And so while we wait, I have a quick question. I know there is a way to automatically generate the migration files. Were you automatically generating them, or do you write them manually?
I write them manually. I think
Okay.
I think everyone wrote them manually.
Okay, but because me too, and I thought I was doing like a really newbie thing.
Oh no.
Okay, perfect. I'm happy to hear that.
Yeah. Also, Tim, you also have to write an up and a down part in the migration file.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I saw stuff like so some people automatically generate them, like you can do like manual change in the UI and pull them and generate the file, but I never been able to do this.
Oh, with Hazura?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So we do it separately. There's like a migration file in the Hazura folder, I think. That's used for that, but we don't use it at all. So I don't think we could do it at the time. So yeah.
Okay, and so but the up and down can be generated automatically.
I don't think so, because
Okay.
the migration files are in different places. So I don't know
Yeah.
where.
Let me open the repo. I'm gonna check.
Yeah.
All right, everything is spun down. It seems to be going a bit again. So just go back here. Open a bit smoother now. So create a new file. Get insert platforms, but give it today, which is 2022, and it is the first month. and it is at 10. Is that how it works? Yeah.
Sorry?
Year, month.
Oh, yeah. So year, month, day, hour, minutes, seconds.
Hour is month. Day. Oh, right. Day. So it's month. Day is the 5th. Hour is 10. Minutes is 14. Sure. So we'll do that. Call that .js. So like that.
No, so what you got to do is you have to delete the specific entries. You have to create like delete commands, because now the data is in the database, right?
And so I have to do that in the migration file.
Yeah. So you have to. I forget what the command for it is.
You should have some examples in the files already created, I think.
Yeah.
Drop. Oh, I gotta create a drop file. That's why. Okay, wait, insert. Drop. Alter. Create. So alter. No, this is what you meant by doing an up and down function, eh?
Sorry.
Is this what you meant by doing a up and down
Yeah.
function?
So every time you do something, you have to do the opposite in the down function, in case you wanna migrate down.
Okay, so instead of make, this one's going to be drop. Drop platform. Well, we don't want to completely drop the table though. We just want to make alterations to it. Can, yeah, because you should just be able to drop. I just want to delete from a table. I don't want to drop. I don't want to drop the whole table.
Yeah. So you wanna in the down function, you wanna add the stuff back in.
So yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little lost here.
Oh, What do you need help with?
I'm just like, all right, so I guess in this, instead of make insert platform, like I want to do it in the new one. So I want to alter the down function to include something like this, like some actual SQL stuff, or do I? This is all pretty foreign to me.
Wait, so what are you doing in the up? Sorry, I missed it.
This is I just copied and pasted from
Okay.
from the create table, but or make insert table.
So in
But,
the up, you probably want to have like you can have like a next command. Hold up, next delete entry. I'm sure there is a delete. Looks I think it's in your code already.
it says .del, but I guess
yeah. So yeah. Yeah. Okay. So you can use that for your up function. But for the but go to your scroll up a bit. Scroll up to So you want to include the stuff that's commented out, and you want to delete the other entries.
So if name equals LinkedIn ads or segment Bing ads. So I'm guessing do that. Oh, that's map. So in the delete function.
No. So go back to the platforms object and delete the stuff that you don't want to delete.
Oh, delete the stuff that I don't want to delete. Okay.
Yes. So the stuff that's not commented out. So delete that stuff. And the stuff that's commented out, just uncomment it. Yeah. And then now it will go through. It will go through these and it will delete them. If you put so if you put that into your up function, and so basically switch them out. Basically switch your up and your down. The functionality.
Okay, so so I just basically want to switch them essentially, like straight up. Like so.
Yep. Well, wait, hold on. No, so you want the platforms. So in the up, you want to insert them back in, right? No, so in the down function, you want to insert them back in.
That's what happened. Yeah, because the down has the insert.
Yeah.
The up has.
Yeah, but you don't want to delete platforms in the down function.
Okay, so.
Right? Yeah.
So
you just want to do return platforms that insert platforms. I think that's plenty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like so.
Yep. I think that's good.
So this means, so I just basically took a create table function or migration and switch it around. So instead of taking it, taking it, and then in the up function, going to delete those ones that are still here, platforms removed, and in the down function. It's going to insert. It's going to insert the things that are left that aren't deleted, I guess.
In the down function,
Yeah,
it will insert the stuff that you deleted. Yeah.
Okay. And then there is one other file. It was the original.
So with this one, you don't want to you want to leave this uncommented.
Yeah. And so, because that's the original one, right? That's the make insert platforms.
Yeah, and you don't want to once you made it and it's been applied, you don't want to change it.
Okay. So that would go for this one then as well. Have to get rid of this. Then because I need to make your categories. So. Actually, now this one I'm not deleting. I am adding, so I want to keep it a make insert. It's basically going to be the same thing.
Yep.
Except it needs a new. So in 2022, one days, 5 hours, 10, 26. Down there. So that's there. This one's back to its original form. This one has the new digital marking in there. And then for the up and down, it should just be, yeah, because I'm inserting, so it should just be a simple, same thing, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now those are the two files that I need to change. I've made the two new files, the new migration files. So now I guess I should be able to navigate to migrations and then do the migration apply.
Yep. You don't even have to do migration apply. If you run the server, it will do it like automatically.
Okay. Oh, yeah, but this is just in local, or will this?
So this is just in local.
Yeah.
And once you push this to master, like the code will be in basically in staging, and if staging sees that new files have been added in the migration file, it will run it, and it will be.
Okay. So because I edited the old file, it's not gonna look at that file at all. It's just gonna see that it's already migrated from that file, and that's that.
Yep. Yeah.
Okay.
No matter how many, no matter if you make changes to it.
Yeah. Okay. so it has to be a new file.
Yeah.
So when like, because I guess like for this, I just so would I go back and delete the old because this is just like a straight up insertion and like an addition to it.
Mm-hmm.
Should I delete the old version then?
No, because that like reflects like a previous version of the code.
Okay, and you just want to keep it in there for like.
Yeah. If in the future, if it gets too messy, there is like a way to squash like these migrations.
Yeah, I didn't see that. So okay.
But yeah.
Yeah, for now to squash them, I think it's not like really useful. Like this, we see the details step by step what we implemented,
Yeah.
and when at least if we are at less than 100 up and down, we're good. I think.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm actually gonna stop presenting again on this screen and spinning things up. Just tell you if it works or not. So the metadata wasn't really important to this at all, then, eh?
Yeah.
When would you use I guess that's when you're trying to like rebuild drop some tables, or like can you just drop the tables through here though? Or?
The metadata.
Yeah.
Can you go back to the metadata? I guess once everything is working.
Yeah. Sorry, yeah. I forgot I wasn't presenting anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah, it has like all the like table schema data and like object relations and permissions level and stuff,
Mm.
relationships, foreign keys.
I think that's Wait, is that the Hazura stuff? Or
Yeah, Hasura metadata.
that gets I think that gets created automatically.
Yeah, I did export it because I thought like I
Yeah.
said, I was thinking just digging too much into this. Back in so wait, on the front. I want to see the server like normal, right, and just make sure it works locally.
Let's do that.
You don't see any good deals on computers?
I don't think you'll find those with the chip problem right now.
Yeah, the chip shortage. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me know, Tim, if you need one. Do you need a tower or
Yeah, I haven't.
or
Quite.
a laptop?
Yeah, just because. Would be thinking that because like I don't know where I'm going to be in the next year or so, if I'm going to be moving or not. So a laptop might be better because that's what I'm using right now. But I bought this laptop like 4 years ago and it
All right.
was doing well, but yeah, it's having a hard time keeping up. No.
All right. Well, I'll check if I see something good. We'll get it delivered to your place.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Sure, no problem.
Got some.
We'll,
Back
we'll
end
get
issue.
one with the webcam as well.
That's the trick, is it?
Yeah, exactly. The camera's gonna always be on. There's not gonna be any offs.
Good thing there's tape.
It's anti-developer technology. All right. I'll send a message to Ariane.
Got this trying to spin up the back end. Using super real. Oh. Okay. So I'm gonna need industry category ID. It's not present in table. Yes, and that's gonna be two. Any idea, Mario?
Sorry.
Any idea why I get this error when it's spun up?
Go up. Oh, 06 advertises legit.
Six. So
Did you try to seed?
yeah.
Is this the table that you?
Actually, yeah. Oh yeah. So I was that's right. I was able to spin up, but yeah, I tried to seed it, and that's when this came up.
Are the tables? Did the tables work? Can you go on 0 to see if the tables are there?
the tables are there. Apparently, they have some data in them too. What was that? That was category. Industry categories.
Was it advertisers or?
It said ID 17. Industry category ID 17. Present.
Oh, it's not present in there.
Yeah. So the one that I inserted, saying that it's the ID is not there. I'm guessing.
Wait, did you insert this after? Is this what you removed?
No, I in the industry categories, I added one, and in the platforms, I removed. So,
Wait, is it there? Sorry, I didn't quite catch it. Is that entry in the? Is ID 17 in the?
I don't know. Like,
In
no,
the Azure.
I never added it, but that's probably what's going on.
Oh, it didn't add it. Is it the?
Yeah, well, it just says it's not there. So yeah, that's what I was looking in the
Okay.
industry categories, and if I try to do, look at the IDs.
Yeah.
Apparently, the lowest ID is 27. But in digital marketing, there is no ID 17.
Okay.
This is the one that I added just now. Gave it an ID of 33.
Why is there no ID one?
Public entry table, advertisers, exchange, advertisers, industry category ID 4. So
Think.
yeah, it wouldn't even. That's why it's just stopped at advertisers. It won't load the advertisers, and that's what. I didn't do anything to advertisers. So.
Have you made any changes to the file in the migration file?
Yeah, remember that's where like I just put it back to how it normally was.
Okay, can you
But want me to like put what I had back in there?
no. Just do can you just like volume just remove the volumes that you have?
Sure.
And try again. right.
Here we are again. Everything's built.
Let's see.
There's no data in it.
Can you check the advertisers
Yep, there's nothing in advertisers.
or the one where the IDs went starting from one? Yeah, industry category.
Oh, there you go.
Is it the same? That's the same.
So yeah, it still has the one that I
Wait, did you
put it there.
did you volume? Did you delete the volumes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Compose down -V.
Okay. That's good.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think the migration then probably worked.
Yeah, because
That's good.
that's there then, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Where's platforms? Let's see. Yeah, it's only 3 platforms, so there you
Yeah.
go.
Okay. Cool.
So the migration worked, but now I try to seed the data.
That's interesting. It doesn't start from one.
And there it is again.
Yeah. Industry category ID 17 is not present. So go to this file. Go to the seed file.
That's in file. It's in, this one advertises. What's the file? JSON. It's not the table. That's where it's originating from. But
Yeah. Try to grab the data that it's getting. So go to
Yeah.
the data folder.
should be. That's the very first one right here. 17.
Yeah, you want to change the IDs. But what's weird is it's not starting from ID 1.
Yeah. Category 8. So I'm gonna have to find out what all these old ones. No, there is no 17 though. Starts at 27. Category. So I guess I just need to match up the IDs to this appropriate category.
Yeah, and then it shouldn't give you the errors.
So I just digital marketing, I guess, appropriate for index. Sounds.
Yep.
Maturin. It's going to be food and drink, or why isn't it showing me 100 pages? Or this is all the this is all the ones that there are. Never mind.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, I guess would be food and drink, or yeah, no, food and drink makes more sense for them.
You can freestyle it.
Combi, I don't who's Combi.
One of our customers in the past, so that would be like clothing. E-commerce.
We don't even. We don't have should I add that category as
Yeah,
well?
business 31 is fine.
31? Yeah, okay. Guild B. I thought there was more categories in this. Yeah, like healthcare, hobbies and leisure. Here's all the ones. Non-government. I knew there's way more categories than that. Why aren't they showing up here? I'm just gonna stop presenting again real quick.
Yeah. I gotta go in 5 minutes. But Tim, I can hop on like a call with you. Anytime really after like 7 for me, if
All right.
if you would like. And we can
Yeah,
go
we'll
through
see.
this.
We'll see if this works. Then it should be all right, and then have a better understanding of how the migrations work. Definitely gonna need some more work or more research into it, but yeah, much better understanding of it now than before. I was completely lost. Now I'm just a little lost.
Yeah. If you have any questions, DM me on Discord. I'll see the message for sure.
Yeah. All right. All right, we're back, and now all the things are there. Okay. It's just my.
I'd say I don't have a better understanding of how migration works, but hopefully that unlocked some of your interrogations.
Yeah, I was trying to be thorough.
All right. So how close do you think you are to being able to do everything, Tim? Whereas I won't feel shy to ask a little bit more from Mario.
Like, well, it's just like now that I kind of know how to do migrations.
Okay.
Still, because that was pretty much a walkthrough, right? Like I didn't really like I just found out about I saw the up and down function there, but I thought he was talking about like the YAML file, but it's completely different. I'm not really familiar with connects and stuff like that, so it's just
Yeah. But if you're still stuck, like I said, after 7 for me, I think that's 6 for you. Like I can, yeah. Most days I'm free after those.
Yep.
So if you want to hop on or something, then yeah, we could do that.
Sounds good. Education. Sounds good. Let's go with 4.
All right. Well, thanks, Mario, and I'll hit you up if we're still locked. But I really appreciate it, Mario.
Yeah, it's all good. All right.
Yeah, thanks for the hand.
Yeah.
Right.
Thanks, guys. Nice
Hopefully
meeting
they
you
help
all.
you out as well, Ismael. Have a nice day.
Yeah, have a nice day, guys. Thank you,
Yeah,
Mario, for your time.
Mario. And see you guys.
Okay, thanks, Mario. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.